The library is preparing for its move to the new UHV University Commons. We are acquiring a lot of innovative technology for our Makerspace, which will better assist our students in learning and creating projects for class and the real world. Our first acquisition is the Padcaster, an all-in-one mobile studio for your video presentation needs. The Padcaster has a teleprompt feature, a variety of microphones, a pop-up green screen, and a mix of lenses to get the shots you need. The Padcaster is easy to use. You can start filming with the click of a button. Subscribe to our channel to receive future updates on our Makerspace, as well as unboxing videos of all our new technology. For more information about the Makerspace, or on how to use the Padcaster, contact Makerspace librarian Grant Shaw at 570-4143, or stop by the media desk on the second floor of the library.